Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to contact on YouTube. So let's go to Google and ask how to contact with YouTube. You can find this answer very simple way. Contact YouTube on Twitter @teamyoutube.com or Team YouTube. Our fax number is this one. You can call this fax number to contact YouTube. If you want to use copyright information for claim. For creators, if you are a video creators, if you make video daily, open YouTube Videos Studio, click the chat icon, and you can top right corner to open live chat. Then visit the YouTube Help Center, select a topic, then follow the troubleshooting steps. Or if you want to know YouTube contact mail, you'll find here in contact us option. Okay, this one fax number, and the mail is, you can find here. You can see this video to see find the mail. Alright, so guys, this is how you can do this so simply. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.